Hey everyone, welcome back to Extreme RC Off-Roading. Today we're going to be installing the TRX-4M light kit by Traxxas on our TRX-4M. This is how the lights come. Traxxas website said they were waterproof, so that's why I got them. It comes with some instructions on how to install them. Okay, let's get started. First, you're going to remove this screw right here. That one. The one I'm pointing at, remove that screw on that side and on the other side. After you had removed them, let's go on to the back and remove the screw right here. After that, it should look like this. Now get your lights. Follow the steps shown. Okay, now I already went ahead and did the left light. So all you need to do is put the right light in and screw it in. It should look like the left one. Okay, after those steps are done, this is how it should look. Now let's go on to the back. Get your tail lights that were in a clear Ziploc bag and install them from the outside in. It should look like this. Now get a screw that was in the clear bag. This is how you're gonna install it. Make sure to place it in position and then add the screw that was in the clear bag. Place your screw in the hole. Now, so far, if you did everything correctly, it should look like this. Now just connect the connector to your battery and you're done. Overall, I think these lights are worth $30. They add a very nice scale look to your crawler. They have many features. I think it's totally worth it. These are the backlights. If you made it this far, thank you for watching. Consider subscribing, since I'm gonna be doing a lot of scale videos with this car. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.